Hello everybody, thanks for joining me again. It's a thoroughly miserable day. I'm on the River Dart again, but this time not on Dartmoor. I'm closer to the mouth of the river, just a little bit up from Dartmouth. I'm on the Kingswear side, for those of you who know the area, at a place called Noss Marina. And I'm planning to scout out the area between here and Greenway Mansion. Don't know if I'll get much today, as the weather's so bad, but it's good to be out of the house, and we'll see what we see. Well, that was a little disappointing. The trail towards Greenway is closed for the time being for forestry works, so even though it's a Sunday and there's no one working, I still can't walk that way. I could drive round to Maypool and come back the other way, but I don't think I'll bother. I may have a wander around here, just see what I can see. You can see some lovely colours still in the trees. So let's have a little quick walk around here. Maybe take a wander down to Noss Marina itself and see what I find. Let's make the most of it, shall we? Well, I filmed this a couple of Sundays before Christmas, although you're seeing this on the day after Boxing Day. And it's going to be a short video. I'm sure over the Christmas period you've got better things to do than watch me. So it wasn't a very good day, and the piece of woodland that I was walking through was only the size of a football field, and there wasn't that much to inspire me. However, there's always something, and there was a little bit of light shining through the trees onto what was left of some autumn leaves. So I took a couple of close-up shots. This first one, you can see the light was just catching the leaves right, and this is a very similar image of the same branch actually, and what I'm trying to do is just compose the branches just to give a pleasing balance to the image, and with a shallow depths of field just to blur out the background, they look okay. And this is what I could see from the distance. This was the tree I was photographing, and with this I have reduced the saturation in the green colours a little bit, and I've brightened up the yellows slightly, just so you can see those autumn colours a little bit better. Well, I know it's a short video, but I hope you enjoyed those 3 images, and I hope to see you again next Sunday. But for now, Happy New Year, and I'll see you in 2021.